Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have MongoDB and MongoImport installed. Now start by validating your JSON format and permissions. Use ND-JSON or line-delimited JSON so each document imports cleanly. In the terminal, connect with the correct user and host. Include authentication database if needed. Run a dry import. Add dry run or use quiet with num insertion workers 1 to preview behavior. Once done, you'll confirm connectivity, file path, and that the target collection exists or will be created. Now you construct the MongoImport command. Specify DB and collection, choose JSON array if your file is an array, or line delimited otherwise. Add drop to replace collection, or use upsert with upsert fields to merge by key. If fields need type hints, preprocess with JQ, or use columns have types for CSV workflows. Use num insertion workers to tune parallelism for performance. Make sure to include authentication database and credentials when required. This ensures imports run with expected permissions and types. Finish by validating results in the Mongo shell. Run counts and sample queries to confirm documents and field types. If you hit errors, inspect the MongoImport output. Invalid JSON or duplicate key errors are common. Fix the file or adjust upsert fields. For authentication failures, recheck user roles and authentication database. For very large datasets, switch to batching, tune num insertion workers, or export/import using Mongodb and MongoStore for faster, consistent restores. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.